Tell me about your police adventure
I'm not going to tell you about being pulled over right now because I'm still too hot.
Tell me about the adventure that you got pulled over by the police while you're trying to film Brother Ron.
Yeah.
What happened? Tell me.
Ronnie!
Tell me what happened.
You pulled over on Highway 95, parked your car, got out and was going to film in front of the Colorado Bell on the Arizona side. And I asked you before you got out of the car, can you park here?
And what did I say?
I can park anywhere I want.
Unfortunately, that wasn't the case.
So then I get out of the car and there's a Bullhead City, Arizona cop parked behind
police
you.
officer.
Police officer.
Law enforcement officer.
Well, when I said cop, there's a cop to you. I'm sure he read my lips. He was right behind your car. So I said, Ronnie, there's a cop there. And
what did I say?
So,
oops.
And then I said, no, he's right there behind you.
And then I turned around and he went back to the car and got his billy club.
No, he hadn't got out of his car yet.
Oh, he got out of his car with the billy club?
Yeah. And then, I told you, go walk over there and find out if it's okay if you park there. And at that time, he got out of the car with the billy club. So anyway, and then I saw it wasn't going good because the police officer kept saying, you're kidding me, right? Common sense would tell you that you can't park here. Because, well, yeah, if you notice, it's very busy today on Highway 95. So, anyway, yeah, I had to walk over there because I knew Dad was going to get popped over the head or arrested or both. So, I walked over there looking like a deer caught in the headlights. A doe, I should say.
And so the police let us go.
Yes.
And it was because of your innocence that let him. If you said that if I'd have been there by myself, you'd have had to come down to jail and bail me out.
I would have. But then he says, well, if you want to take pictures, there's a driveway up there. You can pull in up there. And so then after we got in our car and pulled in, and I looked down the road, and he had his lights flashing after someone else. Probably someone from California.